Each breath puts your body at a higher risk for developing long-term and short-term health problems.
People who smoke are at a higher risk of getting pneumonia.
Health experts say cigarette smoking is the strongest risk factor for pneumonia in people under the age of 50.
Pneumonia is caused by bacterial or a viral infection in the lungs, but smokers are much more susceptible to it. The reason for that is the smoke is, of course, toxic to the respiratory tract.
There are more than 30 different causes for pneumonia, but those who smoke have a difficult time fighting off the bacteria.
You have little hairs all along your air linings called cilia, and smoking actually paralyzes them. So all that mucus and stuff your lungs are naturally trying to bring up and get out just sit in there.
Symptoms of pneumonia are fever, cough, chills, and phlegm production. With antibiotics, a non-smoker will typically recover from pneumonia within 3 to 5 days, whereas a smoker could take weeks to recover.
Well, pneumonia is an infectious problem. It certainly can have complications. You can get those same bacteria in the bloodstream and have sepsis, causes people have problems with maintaining their blood pressure, and you can die from that.
One prevention health experts recommend is a vaccine to help protect patients from pneumonia.
Well, of course, we strongly encourage people to try to stop smoking.
For Lee Memorial Health System, I'm Lindsay Fry.